All right, here we go. MF Doom. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, that is great. Those F motors always do their thing. That is great. Coming down. Had an altimeter in there, so we're gonna get some altitude and some information. Yeah, that was a good one right there. That went. Parachute look a little dangly, a little tangly. I don't know if it got singed or not. It's not as smooth. Yeah, I think the parachute may have a singe. Parachute may have a singe. Coming back close to the pad, sorta. Don't have a singe. I guess it's, still close to home. Nice. That's what it's about right there. That was, yeah. That's how it's done, man. Ain't nothing like them F motors, man. Got a little shindig there. Did it touch the, it may have touched the fin or something on ejection. It seemed like it had a little wobble. Let's see what the altimeter reads. Hopefully we hit the ground, so. The altimeter's not even on. Hopefully it read still. Oh man, I wonder if it got turned off when it hit. Did it read? Let's see. 120 miles an hour, 690 feet. Looked about right, I don't know. 690 feet, yeah. That seemed about right, 690. 120 miles per hour, that seemed right, it hauled.
That went fast.
That was good, yeah. Nothing like those F motors, cool. Model Rocks 321, guys, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Like I said, check the links. Check all the links that I have down below. STEM education books for your kids. The website is up. Model Rocks 321 website is also up. I'll be bringing some content on there as I can, be like a little blog space showing my latest projects. And I may have some kits available for you guys to purchase. Model Rocks 321. See you on another video. We out. Be sure to visit the Model Rockers 321 Space Shop for logo tees, mugs, and other space-related merchandise.